Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Nadeem Naseem. Today I am going to start my YouTube channel, AIMS. Uh, the aim of this channel is to facilitate the students while in the current situation because of COVID-19 pandemic. Many students are at home and they are not having any mean of like direct education. So in the current scenario, the importance of online and distance learning education is increased. So I thought there should be a platform where I can help students while they are at home, and it is basically educational channel, and I will be starting from mathematics. Later, I will broaden this channel and I will include other things. So today our topic is expressions and equations. So we will look at what are the expressions and what are equations. We are using these in algebra. So you can say this is, now we will go through the basics of algebra, and we will try to clear our concepts. So to understand expressions, equations, we need to understand some terminologies. These are basic terminologies and you may be familiar with them, but it is important to discuss these terminologies before starting to discuss this expression and equations. So the things we should know about. At least we should know about these four basic things if we are going to understand expressions and equations: constants, variables, operators, and exponents. So in English, you know what are the constants. The constants are the quantities which are not which are not changed, and variables, these are the quantities which change. These are the quantities which are changed. So same concept is used in mathematics. The constants are those quantities which does not change, and variables, they can change, they can have any value. And what are the operators? Operators, we can understand that we can perform any operation through them. And what are the exponents? We will see. You can say exponents are, we can say, power. So we will understand this. I will give you one example. I will write down one basic expression and I will tell you why we call it an expression. I wrote a simple and basic expression, and now we will understand why we call it expressions and what is it made of. Now you can see there are how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 things in this. Now here it is 1. Now 1 is the value, like wherever I will write it will remain 1. So I will say it is constant. It is not changing. This 2 is also constant. This is number. Numbers are constant. And what is this? This is x. Now it is up to me. I can give any value to x. I can give 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. So it is up to me. I can give any value. These values are changing. So I will call it variable. Now these all values are connected through what? This is plus sign, and what it is doing, this it is doing addition. So what I will call it, I will call it operator, because through which we are performing addition operation. This is operator. So simply we can understand what is expression, the combination of variable, constants and operators, or we can say connecting variables and constants through operators, we will say it is expression. Now I wrote here constant and here constant, both are constant. What are the difference? I have not discussed third thing, like I missed one more thing we will discuss. It is coefficient. Like 5 things we discussed: this variable, operator, and these 2 things we will discuss now. Now you see this is constant, but it is coming with the variable. So any constant which will come with the variable, we will call it coefficient. Here variable is x, so we will say 2 is actually constant, but it is special constant, it is coming with variable, so we will say it is coefficient. Any constant coming with variable, we will call it coefficient. Now what is exponent or power? So these all things are included in expression and equations. We are discussing expression, we will go to equations later. Now here, what is the exponent? Exponent is the power of variable. Like here it is written 2x plus 1. There is nothing written here, we will say it is having power or exponent 1. Here the exponent is 1. Okay, now I will write down. Here constant is 1, variable is x, operator is plus, or you can say we can have another operator which is coming in between 2 and x, but we are not able to see it. But actually what is the connection with 2 and x? They are being multiplied, 2 into x. We can say 2x, or we can say 2 into x. So this multiplication is also an operator. Okay, like here 2 is being multiplied with x, x is also an operator. It is performing multiplication operation. And the other 2 things which are left, exponent is, in this case exponent is, power is 1. And what is coefficient? Coefficient is 2. So the combination of constants, variables, exponent, coefficient and connecting through operators, these are called expression. Now we understood what is the expression. Expression is combination of constants, variables, coefficient through operator. I will write another expression. It is written 2x square plus 2. Now we will understand these quantities there. Now what is 2? 2 is constant, plus is operator, this 2 is exponent, this is variable, and this is coefficient. And what is this? Operator. So this we will call expression. What is the equation? Equation, you can simply say when we connect 2 expressions by equal sign or equality sign. Like if I will write simply it 2x square plus 2 equal to 0, we will call it equations. Always remember, expression will have only one side and equation will always have 2 sides. Like you say, here I wrote 2x plus 2, it is only one side which we call left hand side. and this is my right hand, this is right hand side. In equation there are two sides, left hand side and right hand side. In expression it is simply a single side, or you can say it is simply you can say sentence written is in mathematics. So in equation there will be equal sign, or you can say we are connecting two equations. Here you can also call we are connecting two expressions by equality sign. This zero or simple constant we can also say it as expression, like 2 is also an expression. Why and how? Now where are this constant, where is variable, where is operator? Now we cannot look it, but we can define with this any variable, any operator. Like this, if I will write 2x power 0 plus 0, it is equal to, actually it is equal to 2. X raised to the power 0 is 1 plus 0 equal to 2. Now this simple 2 is also, I can write in expression form, 2x power 0 plus 0. Here it will be operator, exponent, constant and variable coefficient. So this 0 is also like an expression. You can say it 0 into x plus 0. It is also a 0. This 0 is also expression. So combination of two expressions, or combinations of two expressions and comparing with the equal to sign, we will call it equation. Okay, so now I hope you are getting my you are getting the now you can see the equation is simply separating two expressions by equal to sign. Okay, we will see further examples later, and in my next video I will give you some examples so that you may clear your concepts and you can differentiate between expression and equation. And there are we will be dealing with the equations in upcoming lectures, and algebra is is emphasizing on equations. If we will understand later, we will study what are the different kinds of equations, and what is the solution of equation, and what we call the solution of equation. We will study in our upcoming lectures. So I will give you examples in my next video. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to answer it in my upcoming video, or I will reply you in the same comment box. And you are also if you want to like have other lectures, you can follow me, you can subscribe my channel. See you in upcoming lecture.